Welcome! In this video, we're diving into how to view shared photos on Gmail Space. This feature makes it easy to access and enjoy photos shared by friends or team members. So let's get started with the updated steps to find those special moments right from your Android device. First, unlock your Android device and locate the Gmail app. Go ahead and open the app. Next, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to proceed. Now it's time to open the specific space where the photos have been shared. Just a tap and you're in. Once you're in the space, check the top of your screen for the space name. Tap on it to access more options. Finally, tap on Shared Media to view all the photos that have been shared within that space. And there you have it. You can now enjoy all the shared memories without hassle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials.